Tank Tank300 ARC spare tire bracket installation guide. First, let's pry open the camera cover. Unscrew the nut. Take down the spare tire cover. Unscrew the spare tire lock first. Then unscrew the spare tire screw. Take off the spare tire. Remove all screws from the rear bar. Take down the rear bar. Take care to unplug the cable. Let's start assembling the mounting plate. Place number 45 rubber mount on top. Place number 65 rubber mount on the left. Place the rubber mount into the gasket and tighten the nut. Remove the reverse camera module. Unplug the cable. Pry open the fixing clips. Remove the original spare tire rack. Connecting the vehicle backup camera extension cable. Thread the wire through this hole. Installing T2066 fixing plate. Tighten the screws. Remove the original anti-collision frame fixing bracket. Screw the two guide wires into the bolts. Just screw in half. Thread the guide wire with the bolt through this hole. Out the top. Another one same. Come out from the bottom. Place the gasket through the guide wire at the top of the collision frame. Pass through the upper and lower guide wires into the shaft base hole separately. Take care to put a gasket on the bottom. Remove the guide wire and screw in gasket and nut. Do not tighten. Same goes for the upper side. Note it needs to fix the bolts in advance to avoid them falling off. Screw the screws with gaskets into the remaining 3 holes. Also do not tighten. Next, install the bearings of the bottom main axle. Place the wide side of the ring wall facing inward. Grease the bearings. Put the small ring inward. Place the oil seal with the concave side facing inward. Put in gasket. Insert the spare tire rack body into the shaft seat. Lubricate the bearing and place it with the small ring facing inward. Put in spacer and tighten the nut. Insert the reversing camera cable into the spare tire rack body hole. Adjust the horizontal position of the spare tire rack. Confirm that the headlights are parallel to the spare tire rack. Tighten the right screws first. Push forward to compress the spare tire rack. At the same time, tighten the remaining screws of the shaft seat. Install the safety rope. Pull out the spare tire rack. Unscrew the ball joint tie rods. Install the ball joint tie rods. Tighten the ball joint tie rod screws. Put the rubber ring into the main axle cover, and screw the main axle cover into the main axle. Install the spare tire holder. Put a screw on the left, right and top. Put the spare tire on and try it on. Ensure that the spare tire fits snugly in the spare tire rack. And the spare tire fixing screws are in the proper position. Remove the spare tire and mark it. Install and tighten the screws formally. Connecting backup camera module. Install in this position and tighten the screws. Install flagpole stand. Put a screw in first. Adjust the horizontal position, tighten the second screw. The tailgate half open. Tighten the ball tie rods. Installing the spare tire. Tighten the screws. Check the spare tire is tight against the spare tire rack. Paste the sticker to the right rear side of the rear bar. Mark according to the position of the video line. Cutting marks. This step requires a professional operation. Install rubber pads at the cutting area. Plug back the cable. Install the rear bar. Tighten the rear bar screws. Put the spare tire cover back on. This concludes the installation guide. Thanks for choosing Tank300.